Okay, this video, it's gonna be the HDR 50 full mods, 18-inch barrel, and the 1100 psi 6-hour tank. And we're gonna be roughly at 95 joules. I already did the chronograph videos, so this one here we're just gonna shoot, but we're gonna try and go through an inch of plywood. And we're going to be shooting the 8.4 gram steel ball bearings, 8.38, 8.4, same shit. And alrighty, let me set this up. Okay. As you can see, steel ball bearings going in, click, turn the gas on, okay, slide check, click. All right, we're ready to go here. Let's see if this will go through an inch. Whoa, there goes my eardrums. Oh wow, we got a couple penetrated. Holy shit. Jesus. Oh yeah, look, even separated them. Wow, okay. A couple of them got caught by the looks of it. 1, 2, 3 of them. Let me see. Holy shit, that's insane. Here's the back blowout. I heard them hit the ground, so yeah. And I heard them hit the cowbar too, so. Well, let's go look. Holy shit, man. Look at that. Let's go over here and take a look. Yep, there's one right there. 50 cal ball. I can't see in here, man. I'm blind. Oh, there's a couple more I can hear rolling. Can't see nothing. But I for sure found one. Anyway.